Maing buntag sa tanan bisan dili kay tahapi karon kana tay gamay nga problema pero laban lang tayo para sa atong ugma. So karon tuko sa akong balay sa kumiga kay ako'y kuhaon nga liya. Okay, see you later. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guess where am I now? So today I'm here in my beautiful friend's house. I gotta pick up some order ako ng spring rolls and mga Tagalog kasi it's easy ha. Yung mga food dito tapos may something waiting for me, a nice lunch. So how nice is that? So life is beautiful no matter what, even if you have a lot of problems in life, so still keep going on. Don't stop. Okay, so you need to check the fish first, okay? Check it. So, I think it's nearly ready, Han. So you want me to, cause it's not too crispy for you too. Oh, there's no handle. So fish for today, and but this one is crispy already.
You like until long.
It's really burnt. That one is, I think that's perfect, Kai.
Yeah, I like it.
So that one is alright?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd grab it now.
So, easy lang mag-fry dito, guys, kasi we have a frying pan. Unlike in our place. Oops. Who's the cranky one? The fish or you?
You.
Me.
There you go.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
There you go. Later again. No. So here we go. Come on, let's go inside. So now I had some order for if you order, just send us an text, an email or everything. So of course we're gonna have our lunch today, guys. So it is a big lunch for us. Thank you, Han. So chili paste. I don't know. So ham.
Yes.
And then fish and
Egg muffin.
egg muffin, wow, and dim sum, fried dumplings, and fried noodles or pancit, and rice is life, and another chili, so and juice. So wow, I'm
Yummy.
So hello guys, we're eating now. Thank you, Hans. I didn't expect this for only two. So how I gonna be? I'm looking forward for my diet, guys. But no diet at all. Cause food is life, and oh, thank you. So come on, let's eat. Hope I can give you something to all of them.
Your mouth full. That's that.
Okay, I wash my hands.
Yeah.
So look at guys, we're done eating. So still, you judge if we eat a lot or not much or not. So how I wish I can give you some. So thank you, honey, buddy. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good afternoon today. Relax lang tayo kasi wala tayong trabaho, no? At saka relax lang tayo. Ito yung natin. Tingnan natin yung mga tao sa nagdimaan dito. Tingnan niyo yung bulaklak, guys, na tree na bulaklak trees. Oh, hello, guys. Ngayon, time to relax muna tayo. Kasi, nakakapagod din naman talaga yung lagi nagtatrabaho, no? At saka, wala tayong trabaho ngayon, so relax-relax tayo. At saka, ang ganda-ganda ng palibot natin. So, ang ganda, fresh air. At saka, ang ganda ng bulaklak. Ang bulaklak. Naman, Foxy. Kasi galing ko lang na Macals, guys. Pero kabusog, Jude. Yeah. Wala nag-yun diet kayong panahon nag-yun. Kasi nag-libre yung pagkaan. Thank you to everyone. Look. Foxy, wanna jump? Oh, no. No. So, ang ganda-ganda ng trees, guys. Ang kulay lilac or lavender. Beautiful. So, yung trees during winter, namatay siya. Pag summer, okay siya. So, yan. Ang ganda. Afternoon be like. So, swerte. Thank you for having experienced this beautiful. Guys, andito ako sa Kmart. May binili lang ako na mga gamit na importante lang. Nahanap ako ng sale. So, yan. Men's area dito. Medium. Yan, guys. For men, $5 na ang clearance sales. For Christmas, $8. $5. So, it's really good. For Christmas gift. Medium. Ito yung mall, guys. Sirado na siya. 7 na. Sirado na lahat. Kasi 7 na.